Hi, this is Abhi from Migration Centre of Australia, and if you're someone who's dreaming of experiencing Australia while gaining real life experience and getting trained while you try to get additional skills in your occupation, this might be the visa for you. Today I'm going to talk about the 407 training visa, a temporary visa that could change your career. So if you're a recent graduate needing workplace experience, a professional looking to upgrade your skills, or maybe you're already working overseas and want to be trained by an Australian business, the training visa is the right visa for you. Here's what you get with the training visa. You get to stay in Australia for up to 2 years. You get to have real hands-on experience at a company that's working within your occupation, open up global career opportunities after you've completed that training, or potentially even in Australia, if you have other companies willing to sponsor you, or the same company after you've been trained wants to continue to sponsor you on a skilled visa, which does happen from time to time. But remember, there are a few important requirements that you need to ensure you meet. You need a valid sponsorship from an approved Australian organisation. That means you need a company that is willing to sponsor you in a particular occupation for your industry. A clear, well-structured training plan outlining why you need the training. You need to make sure you have minimum functional English, which is quite low to be honest, compared to other skilled visas, and maintain health insurance while you're on this visa in Australia. You can include family members as well, but the family members, for example, if you're bringing your partner, can only work part-time in Australia. It's not just about working, it's about growing your skills, building your future, and taking your career to the next level, which a lot of people do. Whether you're into engineering, IT, trades, hospitality, or anything else, the 407 training visa can help you level up globally because Australia's skills are recognized at an international level. So if you're serious about this, reach out today and let's talk about how you can get started. You can book a consultation to one of our consultants, and don't forget to follow for more visa tips, updates, and real success stories. This is Abhi, helping you build your future in Australia. See you in the next video.